Hey, welcome to Testbook.ai. This innovative Chrome extension uses AI-driven automation to transform web application testing. Let's understand how it works with a simple recording and playback journey. We will use this application for testing. First, open the tool, click Record and tap New. Give your test suite a relevant name and click Record to begin the process. This is the side menu of the recording tool, and it offers a variety of options. For a detailed explanation of each, you can refer to our Help Center for further guidance. Simply record your actions using the tool. Once you've completed, stop the recording. Then you can save your test suite. Now in this panel, you can view several options like Play, Play in other browser, and Play in other cloud platform. To know more about each option, refer our Help Center for comprehensive guidance. Let's view the Play option as of now. It helps to review the recorded actions. Simply click Play to view them in action. This is how you can view the playback status. All the record and playback actions are mentioned in the notification. Finally, the test summary will provide a clear overview of the recorded test suite. That's how easy the recording journey is with Testbook.ai.